So, how long does it take to prepare for IELTS? Well, I don't really like this question because obviously it's going to be different for every student. It's going to depend on so many different things: the student's current level, their target band score, how much time they have to study, how well they study. So, please remember it's different for every student, but in this video, I'm just going to give you some general rules. Now, when you do prepare for IELTS, there are two main things that you need to think about. First, you need to learn about the IELTS test, and that includes things like understanding the format, learning about different strategies and question types, and doing practice tests. Now, if you're a fast learner and you have a lot of time, this might only take you around 1 to 2 weeks. If you don't have much time and you're a slower learner, well, it might take a bit longer, maybe 4 weeks or even more. The next thing you need to think about is getting your English to the right level. So what I mean is, maybe you're a band 6 in IELTS right now, but you need to get a band 7. Well, that's a 1 band increase. So how long does that take? Well, again, it depends. So let's pretend you want to improve your band score by half a band and you can study a lot, maybe 3 hours a day. Well, it might take you 1 to 2 months. However, if you don't have much time, if you study less than an hour daily, well, it could take you 3 to 4 months or more. If you want to improve a full band score and you can study a lot, 3 or more hours per day, well, that might take 3 months or more. And if you don't have much time, well, it could take 6 months or longer. If you want to improve by 1.5 bands, well, that could take you 6 months or even more if you study a lot. And if you don't have much time to study, it could take you a full year or even more. Please note that these are the best case scenarios. In a lot of situations, it might take even longer. And please remember, the higher your band score, the harder it is to improve. So for example, if you're at a band 4 and you want to go to a band 5, well, that's probably much easier than going from a band 8 to a band 9. So they were just some general numbers. There's no guarantee that you'll be able to improve your band score in a certain amount of time. It really depends on a lot of factors. So if you do need help with your IELTS preparation, make sure you check out our preparation course, which is in the description below. It's going to teach you everything you need to know to get a band 7 or higher in the test. Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.